Hi, my name is Zidel and you're welcome to Zeal Cook. So today we are making Fulleri. This is hibiscus drink, aka Fulleri. In Cameroon, we call this Fulleri. Fulleri, an amazing drink for the summers when the weather is hot. Summer is approaching and we will need something to chill with. Stay tuned if you want to see how I made this drink. Welcome back, guys. So in this recipe you need 2 medium-sized pineapples, 100 grams dry hibiscus flower, 80 grams granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. First thing first, wash your pineapples thoroughly to get rid of any dirt or sand, and then go ahead to peel your pineapples. Please, if you are getting pineapples, make sure they are really ripe and sweet, because the juice is going to be the main source of sweetening in the drink. After you're done peeling your pineapples, set aside the pineapple peels for later. Then you go ahead to cut the remaining pineapple fruit into slices and keep them aside. The next step is rinse your hibiscus flower or Fulleri with clean water, put it in a pot and add in 30 dl or deciliters of water. Add in your pineapple peels that you reserved earlier, and then cover and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. While that is boiling, we go ahead to extract the juice from the pineapple. You can use a juice extractor or a grater, just as I am doing. Then this is it, and that is the pineapple stems that I could not grate because they were really hard. Then you use a sieve to squeeze out all the juice from the pineapple. After you're done squeezing out the juice, you can keep the chaffs to add it in the pot. This is it after 15 minutes. Then add in the stems and the chaffs of the pineapple, then give it a gentle stir and then cover and let it boil again for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in your mint leaves. I added mint leaves because mint leaves, they have a really great smell and flavor. Then you can use a spoon to get rid of the pineapple peels and Fulleri because we don't need them anymore. And then you just use a sieve once again to drain out any excess particles from the pineapples or the Fulleri. And then this is it. You just repeat the process over and over again until you're satisfied with what you are looking for. I repeated the process about 3 times and it was okay. After 3 times I got a clear drink. Oh my god, it spilled on the table, about 1 glass. Anyways, no problem. This is it, looking nice, clear and very good. You can add in more mint leaves, then let it to cool down. After it has cooled down, you add in your pineapple juice. See how the pineapple juice is thick. Add in your 1 tablespoon lemon juice, your sugar, and then that is it. Your Fulleri is good. You can drink it if you like warm drink, but you have to chill it first. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fulleri Pro Max, Fulleri Deluxe, Fulleri 5.0. Oh my god, look how nice it is. Very thick in consistency because of the pineapple juice. You can chill it. That is your Fulleri. So guys, thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.